Vivian, Mom to Joy, Joshua and Jasmine.
And today we're going to be making a delicious strawberry cake. So the first step is to put your 2 eggs in your bowl, which we've already done. And then you're going to add your sugar. And your salt.
Can I add the salt?
Mm-hmm. Yes, you can.
I'm going to add not too much.
No, you put everything. That's okay. Okay, thank you.
Can I do something now?
Yes, sure, you can mix.
Mix it.
Yeah.
Then you mix.
But don't do it. But don't press it. Oh. Yummy! That's awesome!
Yeah, and guys, you want to mix it until it gets all smooth.
Okay, guys. Yummy!
Good
Looks
job.
smooth, doesn't it?
Looks really good.
Whoa.
Yummy!
It's so nice and smooth.
Yeah! That's enough to nibble while.
Okay,
Okay.
Okay, so our mixing is done. What are we adding next?
So after you've added your eggs, sugar and salt, you're going to add your olive oil. 1/3. 1/3.
It's veggie oil. Don't do it so hard, it'll spill. Yes.
Ooh. It looks good.
Not pretty.
I really like the color of it.
Yeah, it's really
It
nice.
looks really nice.
Do you like the yellow?
And then what next?
Mix it.
Mix it. So next,
Yeah.
so next you're gonna add your orange zest. So
Right,
you're
so
gonna-
where is that orange?
It's
zest?
over
Right there.
here.
Okay.
and you're gonna pour it inside.
Oh, you want it. I don't want that on the thing.
Okay, let's get a spoon.
Too
Have a
bad.
spoon right there.
Okay, spoon.
Too bad. I want to mix it.
Because it's not mixing, we just need to put it in.
Put it in.
Now can we have it?
Alright, guys, we're getting there.
Now can we have it?
Yeah, you can have it if you want. Okay.
And so after that, you mix it all together.
Yeah.
Who wants- Can I mix this?
Sure.
Yeah.
So look, upside down.
Wow.
Nice.
And you look, we're back again. They're big.
Yeah.
They look bigger than and bigger.
It's starting to
They're
yellow.
big. So guys, we mix the ingredients.
Okay, sure.
So the next step is to add your 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And you're just gonna dump it inside. And after that, you're going to add your 1 tablespoon of baking powder so that your cake can rise. Now we're going to put it in.
What's the next step?
And now we are going to mix it together. And Josh, will you do the honors?
Mhm.
Yeah, please.
Alright, Joshua.
The dust is going everywhere.
Everywhere.
Well done, Joshua. Here you go.
So fast, please.
Ooh.
Yummy! Yummy, yummy, yummy.
let's get the. Can we borrow the screen, Jasmine?
Yes.
Let's get all the batter of
The
the
bitty with the batter.
Can you get it?
Let's get all the batter off of the mixer.
Yes. So that we have some more butter in our pans.
Come on, add some butter. I wonder how big this
Butter is cake.
Butter.
butter. Come on, add in.
That's okay, you do the next thing. Okay? You add the strawberry.
Batter. It's not butter.
I got the strawberries.
Yes, Jasmine will do the honors of the strawberry.
Add the strawberry.
Okay, you can help.
Yes, please.
Yes, please. Mama, I miss.
I can't wait to try this cake.
I'm sure it will be very nice.
Yeah.
Looks delicious already.
But it will be even more delicious when we add
Are the strawberries. And they're healthy too, so that's great.
Let me add the strawberries in.
So your next step is to grease your pan with butter.
How can I go and do it?
Grease. You can add the strawberries. Yeah.
Yummy strawberries.
Which our mum is doing right now. So the next step is to add just put some flour in your pan so that the cake doesn't stick when you want to take it out, and we've already done this. So the next step is to pour half of your batter.
A little bit.
Okay.
Now, so you pour in the strawberry,
have-
okay?
Pour half. So the next step is to add
Can we add these strawberries?
to add half of them.
Half
so
of the strawberry.
half of them, okay?
Yummy.
Just sprinkle them.
Sprinkle them, sprinkle
Yeah.
them.
Get a handful and sprinkle them inside.
Okay, it's just showing us.
Yeah, come on, Josh.
Come on, Josh.
Sprinkle some.
Sprinkle some. Sprinkle, sprinkle.
Ooh, this cake is going to be very yummy.
Okay.
Sprinkle,
Is that enough?
sprinkle.
I think so.
Definitely enough.
No, just put all of
No, it's half.
Then you're going to put the rest of your batter on top.
So it is going to be a big cake.
Well,
Well,
not very big.
Not very small.
No. Help.
Oh,
I think I can do it.
Put your love together. Ha 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 ha. Ho 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 ho. Love together. Ha 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 ha. Ho 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 ho. Hee hee. It's fun to love together.
Hero.
Is that what I do? I make a fun face what I do. I make a fun face what I do. I make a fun face what I do. Ah, it's fun to laugh together. Ha 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 ha. Ho ho.
Right, go and take the rest.
It's fun to laugh together. Ha ha
Ha ha ha.
ho ho.
Ha ha ha.
Hee
Hee hee hee. It's fun to laugh together.
I do.
And then we put the rest,
What
I
I
guess.
do.
Yeah, then you put the rest of the strawberries on.
Okay, that's enough.
And so now you're going to add the rest of your strawberries on
It's
top. gonna sprinkle them. Guys, come on, help me.
Help her out while mommy clears the table. Careful.
You have to sprinkle them.
We're going to put all of them.
This looks so good. Mommy, is it nearly done?
Yep.
Is it done?
Nearly done.
So now you're going to put it into the oven for 35 to 40 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
So we'll see you after that.
After we put it in the oven and we baked it. So guys, we are now back with the finished results and I can't wait to eat it.
It kind of looks like pizza.
Yeah, it looks a bit like pizza, but the strawberries
Kind of
look
like
so good.
pepperoni.
Well, it does actually, but the strawberries look so good. And the cake, I can't wait to taste it. So guys, I really recommend this recipe because I'm sure it'll taste absolutely delicious. And I'm sure every one of you who tries the recipe will enjoy it. So guys, if you want to see more of our baking videos, please like and subscribe. So guys, I hope you like this video. Bye!